What's up YouTube, it's HELLCAT J back here with another video, and the saga continues. Tomorrow is a big day for me because I'm getting the wide body kit, the Ikon Motorsports wide body kit for my Charger delivered. I got it up in the air right now on the little ramp, and I'm about to prepare for the install of the wide body by taking off the narrow body side skirt and put it on the wide body. So this came before the bumper and all the other flares and everything. That one had to be a signed delivery. This just showed up at my house, so might as well do it now. All right, so the strategy for this is you're gonna take off these two clips right here, and then take off these three. And when you take off the clips, you're gonna open both of your doors, and you're literally going to rip this off your car. In doing so, you will break the clips that come with it, but Ikon provides the replacement clips that you'll need. So it's pretty fair, simple, self-explanatory job. It's just take off the end clips and then open the doors and pull it out. Let's do that right now. As you can see, it just pops on. It fits pretty well. The holes match up. It lines up with the body nicely. You want to just tuck in the backside behind the wheel well cover right here, and I think I got to do that for the front side as well. But then self-explanatory, you place back the clips and you're good to go. And as you can see, to accommodate for the wide body, there's this extra space right here, so that's coming very soon. I'm very excited. It looks dope. I'm about to do the other side. All right guys, please like, follow, subscribe. I'll catch you guys back when I'm about to install the wide body on both the HELLCAT, which I started. And preview here, I'm not going to be using 3M tape. I'm going to be bolting this bad boy on. I'm going to make it a bolt on, and I'm cutting fenders. It's the only way. I know it is. I've done enough research and seen enough videos to know. And I'm rubbing right now with my current setup, and I don't want to rub, so unfortunately got to do it, but I'll be happy with the results.